matter if you're first or third, or if you're last place, you're still a rat, and they're the cats who kill you so you can't escape.
That's the whole fucking point, bro. He's not talking about the actual cat. Bro strikes again. Tom strikes again. Guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back. So, to be honest, I know this will be a superb song. So, guys, I'll be reacting to Tom MacDonald, Machine. I was like so patiently waiting for this track. I was so patiently waiting because I know when this man strikes, it's like a venomous snake that strike to hit their prey whenever time they make a move. And this is how dangerous this guy lyrics are. I mean, like, he's not scared to deliver his words properly to the people who are afraid. This guy is the mouth of the citizens because they are so afraid to go and express themselves because of the lack of bravery to dispose the system. So I gotta say, bro, Tom MacDonald, I've known Tom MacDonald for like a couple days now, and I'm loving his songs, I'm loving his lyrics, I love everything about this man thus far. And so for that, I'll be reacting to Tom MacDonald, Machine. So without further ado, guys, let's see what's up. Let's see how this man will dominate. Because I know he'll dominate and kill the entire system, bro. Like, bro. Okay, cool. So let's roll, guys. Let's see what's up. Peace.
I am not Republican, I am not a liberal. Why the hell can't I just be American without getting political?
Bro doesn't even reach like 10 seconds in the song yet, and he's killing it. Bro, to be honest, this man is something different. He's something different. There's no possible way that this man can be replaced.
The system gon' suppress us all, they don't care about the cost. How's this a democracy when we got communists in charge?
Believe, bro, I mean, like, this is the perfect example of what we need right now. Right? The system, bro. Right? The system has a lot of democracy. Right? It is so dark. Right? I mean, like, I don't know, guys, but the time when this video is being recorded, we're gonna have like election soon. Right? And whenever time that system should done with us, then eventually you won't see them again. They are like disappeared for like 5 years time. You'll see them back. That's because of the system, bro. It comes to manipulate. It comes to steal our joy away. It comes to steal our freedom. So the people of the country don't have a talk for themselves. It's like people's opinion doesn't really matter anymore, guys. To be honest.
Cancel culture Nazis, all they're missing is the swastikas. Honestly, this is a psychological holocaust. Pumping propaganda through the screen and straight into your brain. You
believe, bro, believe. I mean, like, if people, right, for example, let's not say people, let's say politicians, right, they will come and they will talk. They will manipulate us so we could vote. Then after our vote is being counted, they fled, they vanished. It's like they're like a reincarnation process just for the 5 years. They come, do whatever they want with us, then disappeared. All of the promises they kept, it's not promising unto us because it's pure lies. They come, they fill up our brains with a lot of false promises, and then they just left. It is all a setup, bro. It's all a setup.
Ain't on a plantation, but you definitely still a slave. Race theory is indoctrinating children. Tell blacks they're disadvantaged, tell whites they got white privilege. What a
Bro, believe, bro. I mean, like, we are working every day, right? 24/7 we're on the work, right? But we may not in a plantation era right now, but we're still a slave. We're a slave for the system, bro. They work us, they kill us, then they bury us. Then another one comes up to live and to experience the same thing. We're just chasing after something we'll never get. But that's the way life works, bro. It's sad, but it's true, bro. Very true.
brilliant way to reinforce division. If whites believe they have it easy, they will never help you fight the system. And now they burning books in untraditional ways. They just traded newspapers for the digital age.
Bro. Bro, like, Tom, be careful, bro. Be careful. Careful. I mean, like, the whites, let's say the higher power, right? If they, right, let's say they, because we are not going to throw any stones here. Let's say they, if everyone should unite, the black and the white, because we're really separated into two parts of people, the black and the white. But mostly the black is being targeted. Mostly we have a lot of racism is being taking place. So just because the white doesn't want the black to flourish, they burn the knowledge. They burn the book of knowledge, bro. They burn it. I remember some of the greatest invention on earth was created by the blacks, bro. But just because black man doesn't really have the knowledge or the funds to push themselves to go further, the whites come and buy out their knowledge to implement it on their whatever they are using it for to go higher. Then they just push it right back to the rug, bro. Right? It is so sad. It is so sad. So sad.
Now the facts can be deleted with no physical flames. They just change the information and the truth gets erased. They keep screaming to wake up, but they're all woke, not awake.
Bro, come on, bro. Come on. One thing that always will last, bro, and it's the truth. You can burn the facts all you want, but the truth will always remain the truth, right? Nothing can stop it. But I mean, like, if it hits you differently, that means you are guilty of the truth. But it doesn't matter if the fox is here, flames can't burn it. So they can come, they can hide, they can do this, they can do that. But they cannot burn the truth, bro. Bro, this guy is different, trust me.
We know the system has failed us and all the media's fake. I swear the government hates us, having opinions is dangerous.
Bro, the system failed us. I know the media is fake. Everything on the media, bro, is totally fake. Bro. I mean, like, it's all a manipulation, a brain, a mind manipulation, bro. I mean, like, everything we see on the media right now, it's all fake. I mean, like, they're putting those news in the media, so it's a distraction from people who is literally to stand up for themselves and fight for themselves, bro. So the higher head would have all the advantage to know what we're doing, bro. Bro? Damn, dog.
The system built to enslave us only works if we're afraid. I am not Republican, I am not a liberal. Progressive and traditional are hitmen hired to kill the individual.
Bro, it is just the way it is, guys. You understand? This is just how the system works, bro, to be honest.
They label people red or blue, divide us, they don't ever help. They want you thinking left or right, so you ain't thinking for yourself. Go ahead and vote, cause both the parties are the same side. Two teams, one coach, controlled by the same guy.
Bro, that is what I always speak of, bro. The parties, the stupid darn parties, bro. I mean, like, there are two parties, right? Voting to get whosoever that should be on their side, right? But it's all fall under one, bro. The one that is control everything, the one with all the money, bro. Tom, bro, you're bro. I mean, like, this song is perfect for me, no, because we are in an election moment. No, it's an election eating moment, and this song is so perfect, bro. Damn, this is really perfect, bro.
Left wing, right wing, both help the same bird fly, brainwashing everybody at the same time. The internet was once a place that we could get our facts from. Now it's been monopolized, it's Google or it's Amazon.
Bro, believe, bro. Believe. Believe. Believe this guy, bro. Believe this guy. Left wing, right wing, we're still gonna fly, bro. It's like a bird. Right? They are brainwashing us, bro. I mean, like, they are giving us some information that we should believe them, but they are brainwashing us, bro. Always brainwashing us, bro. Right? I don't know, bro, but this man, he makes me scared. He makes me scared. But no, the media, we could always rely on the media. But everything is just so public on the media now, we don't know what to believe, bro. We don't know because information is so accurate now. We doesn't know the real from the fake. Because a lot of people comes on the media to put up some false narrative against us. Then after we go to do our research, we get the false information, spread it, then the real one hides somewhere. It is just sad, dog.
Fact checking the fact checkers, I can answer that one. The people who control the narratives through the platforms. Let me break this down for you, simple as I can, Kate. They use social conditioning to put you in the rat race. It doesn't.
I gotta say, bro, no one can win a rat race, bro. If you guys should see and look at a rat race, right? There are millions, like millions, there are like billions of rats, bro. Everything is trying to reach to the goal. But you're gonna have some stampede, you're gonna have some to stop at the pathway that they should walk on. We're gonna have a lot of that. Right? So they put us in the rat race so everyone could go and catch whatever they have to catch. But there's only one could come out successful, and that's the one they set. That's the one that is unstoppable, bro. So it's all on my manipulation, right? Everyone is chasing after the same thing, but there's one person who come out successful, bro. It is so sad. Why can't they just make everyone just live good? Bro, come on, bro.
Matter if you're first or third or if you're last place, you're still a rat, and they're the cats who kill you so you can't escape.
That's the whole fucking point, bro. He's not talking about the actual cat. He's talking about the higher heads, bro. You're all there running to reach the finishing line, but you always have that one cat that to come and just scoop us away, kill us, bite off our heads, and that's it. And it's a cycle over and over again, bro.
They keep screaming to wake up, but they're all woke, not awake. We know the system has failed us and all the media's fake.
Everything is just so fake. We don't know what to believe at this point. To be honest, he's speaking the truth, bro.
I swear the government hates us. Having opinions is dangerous. The system built to enslave us only works if we're afraid.
We can't trust the system at no point in our life, bro. We can't. Even though we are not bigger than the system is already man over us, but we can't trust it. It is just so unfair to trust, to be honest.
I am not Republican, I am not a liberal. I am just a man who knows they're scared of a nation that's thinking critical. They kill us or they lock us up for nothing like we're criminals.
Believe, bro. Believe. They always pick on the innocent, bro. Right? They kill us. Right? They lock us up like if we are the criminal, bro. Because they always want to see people go down. If someone should even rise to the bigger occasion right now and they saw that, they're gonna always get a fight. The system will send police, soldier, just to raid your house just because they seen you on the rise to become the next successful person. The system always wanna try to bring you back down, bro. It's like the people don't have any talk in this world anymore, bro. It's all a manipulation, bro.
Divide us because they know that unified we are invincible. Questioning the government's agenda is controversial, but promoting guns and liquor in our music is commercial. They're confused.
Bro. Hold up, bro. This guy, I don't know what to say, but I gotta say, he's freaking honest. He's so true. He's so true, bro. Right? They divided us just because, alright, okay. They said unity is strength. Strength is power. And once we unite together, we become powerful. So they divided us, right? United we stand, divided we fall. We all are gonna fall, right? We are gonna fall, right? Because they divided us, bro. But once they divided us, bro, we always are gonna try to find the way out to get back together. So it is always this one person or this one person on the next side to get a gun, bro, to kill off whatever they have to go to reach onto the other side. And just like the next side, it's gonna be the same thing onto the next side, guys. It's like we just can't stop fight. We can't stop fight each other. The more we fight, they become victorious, bro.
And us with pronouns they made up to make us triggered. You can call me what you want, but just don't call me late for dinner. School teaches you to learn and never teaches you to think. So you absorb misinformation, then you practice what they preach. You
Believe, bro. The teachers, bro. Okay, when I was going to school, right, they teach us what they know, right? They teach us what they're scheduled to teach us. But after I realized that getting older, I realized that these things that they have taught us, it's not really making any sense, bro. They teach us so we could gain knowledge. That is the reason they say knowledge increases, right? But every time someone goes to school, it's always there. The same information is being retained all over again, bro. Right? And when we get older, realize that hey, this doesn't even make any sense. Like, what? Why does we even go to school? What? Like, what's the point? Because this information they're teaching us is not valid, bro. It ain't valid. And then we realize that they are not using it in our everyday life because it's not valid, bro. It's all a mind manipulation, bro.
ain't free, can't you see that's how they want you to act? That's called conforming to the norm, you don't need freedom for that. I'm not Republican or liberal or left wing or right leaning. I took the red pills cause that's who's fighting for my freedoms. And you
Super, bro. Super. Honest facts, bro. Note briefly. This guy's a killer. Be careful of him. He's a G, bro.
You don't need to choose to be accepted. They both fake teams. Evil runs the world now like hell ain't got no vacancy. They keep screaming to wake up, but they're all woke, not awake.
Bro, it's so sad, bro. It's so sad. That's why they say, right? Religion is division. It divides the people that who want to be true to themselves, bro.
We know the system has failed us and all the media's fake. I swear the government hates us. Having opinions is dangerous.
I gotta say, bro, superb job. This song is so understandable, bro. It is so clearly pictured, bro. Mr. MacDonald, bro, well done. I gotta say, I'm out of words. So, guys, if you guys did enjoy this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash the subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.